Good afternoon, sir. I'm Janet Abari, student today. Can you please state your name?
Guys, so Ronina.
Okay, today I'll be assessing your ears and your hearing. This will determine overall health of your ears and to see if there's any potential for ng hearing loss. First, I'm going to sanitize my hand. And to ensure your privacy, I'm going to close the curtain. Okay. Before we start, I'm going to ask you questions lang po. Nagkaroon na po ba ng injury sa ears before recently?
Wala po.
Family history ng hearing loss?
No po.
Any surgeries?
Wala po.
Okay, wala naman. First, I'll be doing is, I'm going to inspect your outer ear. See its shape and its symmetry. Okay, symmetry naman yung both ears and yung color is uniform all across your body. And wala naman any present na redness. The next is, I'm going to palpate your ears. You see its texture and as well as its elasticity if nabalik siya agad. Okay, all normal naman po. And next is I'm going to check your ears for earwax, any lesions, pus, or blood. I'm going to use otoscope, but since otoscope is not available, so I'm going to use pen like a substitute. Wala. Okay, wala naman pong any sign of lesions, pus, and blood. Okay. Next is I'm going to check your eardrops and it's normally gray. I'm going to shine a pen light again. Okay, normal naman. Then, sa buong conversation po ba natin, i-clear mo po ko na clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next is, I'll be doing a test, which is watch stick test. I'm going to place this wristwatch near your ear. And sabihin niyo po sa akin, nagdalilig niyo yung bawat tick mo. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, next is the Webner test. Ipupo ko lang po ito sa surface and titingnan natin if naririnig lang po this yung vibrations. Okay, straight na lang po ng bago. Okay, next is the Rina test naman. First, i-replace ko siya dito for phone conduction, then here for air conduction. Pares na lang po ng halip na wala na yung sound. Okay, next. Okay, it's important, sir, na i-take note yung time ng pag-ring series ng patient tsaka pag nawala na rin siya. Okay, sir, next assessment will be your mouth or pharynx. This will determine the overall health of your mouth. It's an early detection if merong mga bacteria na present. I'm going to ask you some questions po again, and if may irregularities po sa mouth niyo naman recently. Meron po?
Wala po.
Any dryness po sa throat?
Wala po.
Wala naman. Okay, first I'm going to inspect for your outer lips to see if symmetrical and if the color is normal and as well as the texture. Okay, symmetry naman po yung lips niya and then the color is normal though it is quite dry. Next, I'm going to check for your inner lips or epidical mucosa. I'm going to shine a pen line to clearly. Okay? Normal naman po, wala naman po present lesion and it is smooth and the color naman po is normal. Next is, I also inspect the teeth of the patient. Meron pong decay which is tatlo and then I inspected na hindi naman po siya mag-wear ng any dentures naman po.
Okay.
Okay. Next, I'm going to check for your tongue placement. Can you please take out your tongue? Okay, midline naman po yung tongue niya. Hindi naman po siya talingi. And then next is for the tongue movement. Up and down, then sideways po, both sides. Okay. Then next is I'm going to check for your under tongue. Lift your tongue po to see the frenulum. Okay. Normal naman po. Wala naman pong lesions and the color as well is normal. Then next is I'm going to check for the roof of the patient's mouth. Kindly tilt your head po and then open your mouth. Okay, smooth din po, and then wala namang any present na lesion, and the color is as well as normal. Then next is your uvula position. I'm going to ask you to open your mouth again po. Okay. It is rising symmetrically. And then next is your throat po, and I'm going to hutang the peso para dito siya clearly. Okay. Okay. Normal naman po. And I also inspected the tonsils po. Wala naman pong redness, inflammation, and any discharge. So, is there assessment na? Final assessment, sir, this will be your nose and sinuses. This will determine the overall health of your nose to see if there's any irregularities po and early detection na potentially disease. Okay, first I'm going to ask you a question po if nahihirapan po ba kayo huminga or any unusual po sa nose, no?
Wala naman.
Hindi naman po nahihirapan huminga pag binalakad yung nose?
Hindi ko.
Any dryness?
Wala.
Wala naman po. Okay, first I'm going to inspect your nose for symmetry and see if there's any discharge. Okay, symmetrical naman, and then wala naman po present na discharge. Next, I'm going to palpate your nose to see if there's the bridge of your nose is to see if may mga bumps or lumps. Okay, wala naman po. And next is I'm going to ask you to cover your one nostril, yung isang butas po na ilong. And dito kayo. Other side naman ba? Okay. May obstruction po ba sa breathing niyo? Meron po bang kabara? Nahihirapan po?
Wala.
Wala naman. Okay, next I'm going to check for any redness or swelling. Okay? Wala naman po. Hindi naman po siya namamaga and normal naman po yung color. Wala pa mutations ba. Then next, I'm going to check your nose again to see if may bleeding or mga crust. Okay? Wala naman po. Then next is I'm going to palpate below your cheekbone. Okay, next is above the eyebrows. Moderate naman po yung tenderness niya, which is normal. So,